Okay, we're gonna touch it just for a second because this thing's scary. That's actually really funny. She comes back! But we need to sample a little, just a tad bit of hair, you know? There's like 3,000 bucks. Oh my god. Oh. This is definitely the grossest cutting open video. Guys, so I've been checking every day for the last like while, and I kind of want to see if the baby vampire is still there or if it like died or anything. Guys, so we're gonna go see. This thing is, holy, there's bees everywhere. Okay, we're gonna check for the baby vampire. We had a massive windstorm last night, so yeah, there's like sticks everywhere. It's still really windy right now, so I'm gonna just see if it's here, if it fell down. I'm not sure. There's like sticks everywhere because how big the windstorm was. Wait, did it fall? I think it fell. No one's following me. It fell! You're kidding. Oh wow, it did, okay. Cause like if you guys saw the last time I saw the baby, I just threw it up in the air and it caught on a twig and it was like hanging by its hair. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna touch it just for a second because this thing's scary. That's actually really funny. She comes back! That was actually really funny. Like, it caught in the pine tree and it couldn't get down because, you know, its hair got like twisted up. So, oh my god, this thing is horrifying. So my plan is I think we're gonna cut it open. That looks really pretty right there. Okay. Okay. I cannot say how. Is that my mom? I'm gonna hold on to this baby for dear life, and I'm gonna switch arms. Mom, I know that's you. It's obvious. Mom, I know that's you. I'm gonna cut this baby open and see what's inside. Yeah. No. I can't run in Crocs. Guys, Karen is here, and the problem is she left her perks at home, so she can't really do much about that. But we need to sample a little, just a tad bit of hair, you know? Okay, we're not gonna use all of it because this is very weird stuff. Because she's sussy. She's a sussy girly. No. Uh-oh. Hopefully it's my dad. She'll never know. Look at she's bugs in her. I'm going to go grab my stuff and hopefully she doesn't come back and look at her. It's just She has bugs living in her. No. Look it. That was inside of her. No. No. You know what you can have if this will remind you of her? She doesn't look that bad. What? Oh Lord, yeah, she has a lot of bugs. I don't even need to cut her open. Is this my mom? When she was little? It looks like my mom when she might have been like 14. That's not creepy at all. Oh, there's more. There's my mom again. My mom and my papa in this one. I think they were at Disney World, maybe, could have been. And then this one at our old house. That's kind of creepy. Yeah. What? Thank you. Thank you. What? Uh-oh. What? No. Buckle my shoes so much better than this. 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6. Grab your crucifix. 7, 8, stay up late. 9, 10, never sleep again. No, you know what song's better? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Yeah, you guys get it, the point. It's kind of creepy. Why would we thank someone for a Barbie leg? I don't know. We're just gonna... This is kind of gross. There's like 3,000 bucks. There's like 3,000 bucks. This is... I don't... Okay. This is gross. A bug just... I don't know if it jumped out or what. Oh, ooh. My mom's wedding ring. It's really not great. What's this? There's a remote, or like a walkie-talkie. I think it's a remote. Because like for a second I thought it was a walkie-talkie because of like this. But guys, this is really scary. I don't know. There's like bugs falling out of her. There's... Okay, Slappy, but as like a child. I don't know. That was in her head. There's like bugs falling on her? Okay. We gotta hurry up here. Guys, I think that's it. Oh. A microphone? Hold on, there's one more thing in here, I think. Oh my god. Oh.
Ew!
What type of bug is that? Yeah, guys, we hope you like this video. Pray for me because I have to clean up all these bugs and all that. Hopefully, my mom will help, but she's kind of out of her mind right now. Okay, guys, we hope you like this video. If you didn't see the thumbs up, subscribe. Bye. This is definitely the grossest cutting open video.